In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Microsoft Exchange before using Outlook OST file. We'll walk through getting Outlook connected to your Microsoft Exchange account so it can create an OST file, which is the local offline copy of your mailbox. This lets you read and work with email even without an internet connection, and then sync changes the next time you're online. Start by launching Outlook. If it's your first time opening the app, the startup wizard will appear automatically to guide you. When prompted, enter your full work or school email address and your password. Make sure everything is typed exactly as provided by your organization. If Outlook asks you to choose an account type, select Microsoft 365 or Exchange. This ensures Outlook connects to the right server and enables all Exchange features, including calendar sharing, contacts, and offline syncing through the OST file. Next, complete authentication. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, approve the sign-in request on your mobile device or through your configured method. This is a normal security step. Once Outlook confirms the sign-in, it will connect to the server, begin downloading your mailbox, and automatically create the OST file. The first sync can take a while depending on your mailbox size and connection speed. It's a good idea to leave Outlook open and connected until the initial download finishes, so everything populates correctly. If you prefer to create or repair a profile before opening Outlook, you can do this from Windows. Open the control panel and search for Mail. In the Mail settings window, select Show Profiles, then choose Add to create a new profile. When the setup wizard appears, select Manual Setup or additional server types and choose Microsoft Exchange. Enter your Exchange server address and your username exactly as provided by your IT team. If you're unsure about these details, check your organization's documentation or contact support. Before completing the setup, make sure Use Cached Exchange Mode is checked. Cached mode is what enables Outlook to build and use the OST file for offline access and faster performance. With that setting enabled, finish the profile setup and open Outlook with the new profile. Outlook will authenticate, connect to Exchange, and start syncing your mail, calendar, and contacts to the OST file automatically. That's it. You've connected Outlook to Microsoft Exchange and ensured the OST file is created for reliable offline work. Keep Outlook open during the first sync, and you'll be ready to work smoothly whether you're online or not.